Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So this is my review of the Adidas Prime X Strung from a casual perspective. These are fucking mental. That's it. And thank you for watching. Oh, you're still here? Okay. By the way, I know the Prime X2 Strung was released, but I don't like it. Also, something I wanted to say for a while but kept on forgetting. How can you do a sneaker or a running shoe review on YouTube but not include the on-feet shots? I seriously cannot comprehend that. Okay, so as you can see, I've changed these a bit. First did the lace swap with some quality laces. Then I had to remove a piece from the tongue because it was pointy and poked my foot. And I've changed the design a bit on the back tab. Also, I got these in a half size smaller than my regular. They were flying off the shelves. Alright, so the things I don't like about these, first of all the price. I did get them on a 50% off discount, but this proves how overpriced sneakers are. There are no accessories for that price, nothing extra in the box, and the stock laces are pure trash. This upper, the strung upper, is overrated. These threads are just glued to some fabric, you cannot really feel them on the inside. There's no carbon plates for that price. This plastic is not acceptable, just like these rods. There's no view of the carbon through the outsole. The exposed midsole on the outsole started to wear too soon. There's sole drag with these, but mostly on the right foot, which might just be my walking style. The 5 cm stack is the maximum for a sneaker. You're kinda close to wearing high heels at this point. These are highly unstable because of that stack. There is zero padding and the sock liner felt material is pure trash. This is not really a sock liner, what the fuck is this? Yes, I do know these are meant to be lightweight. The glue between the midsole halves started to turn yellow already. After a few kilometers these don't feel that squishy, but maybe that's because it was cold the last time I've tested them. There's no toe cap structure, so these crease because of the rocker shape, but this is why I was able to go a half size down. The Lightstrike Pro midsole gets dirty very fast, got stained just from some mud. These are kind of heavy, they weigh more than my Mizuno Wave Rebellion Pro, which is in a bigger size. And finally, personally, I would have done a similar midsole design on the outside too. So let's see the on feet and I'll be back with the things I like. So this might be my new favorite sneaker. I absolutely love them. And they actually reignited my love for Adidas because for a while they were only making some ugly ass sneakers. I absolutely love the design. I could look at these for hours. The POV look is very nice. They look very nice from far away. I really like the Lightstrike Pro midsole. It's soft, it's squishy, but then I got to try Fuel Cell from New Balance, so yeah. The midsole design is nice with the two halves. You can tell someone really wanted these to look cool, not like with some other racing shoes. I really like the fact you sit on all the stack. There's no bullshit like with other Adidas shoes where the foot goes halfway in the sole. These are very breathable and I really do like the upper. It's stiff but okay. I really like how they did the branding. Here you just have 3 stripes and here you have the Adidas logo. But there is only one Adidas writing, can you tell where? These are extremely comfortable and I really like the way they thought about preventing overpronation with the design in the back. And finally, I could really feel how these are illegal for racing in the 5 seconds I actually ran in them. My feet were really propelled forward. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions and thank you for watching.